Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. We are students from Sma Ad-Diniah. Today we are excited to present our new innovation project, the Smart Eco Mower.
This project was developed as a solution to environmental social challenge related to traditional petrol-powered lawn mowers.
Background is conventional lawn mower use petrol engine which cause noise pollution, carbon emission and high operating costs. These machines are also user-friendly for students and elderly. Our team wanted to design a prototype that is eco-friendly, cost-saving and easy to operate. By using recycled material such as carbon fiber ones, we have a string or repurposed blade blade as a cutter and electric motor. We create a sustainable alternative traditional lawn mower.
Next, the main objective of our project are: first, to develop a prototype of an eco-friendly RC lawn mower. Next, to reduce carbon emissions and noise pollution compared to petrol machines. Last but not least, to encourage the use of recycled and repurposed materials in engineering projects. This objective aligns with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, particularly SDG 7.
Next, our mower is different from others because it uses low cost and repurposed components. We also designed the mower to control remotely, just like an RC car, so it can be operated easily without direct physical effort. The combination of recycled material and RC technology makes this product unique.
Moreover, uses and applications. The Smart Eco lawn mower can be used in school fields, home gardens, and small community areas. Secondly, it also serves as a standard tool for students where they can learn about mechanics, electronics, and sustainability in one project.
In conclusion, the Smart Eco Mower is not a simple project. It's a step forward to sustainable innovation project to the green future.
Thank you so much for listening. We hope our project inspire others to think creatively about solving daily problems with eco-friendly solutions.